Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to play WWE. We'll dive into an easy method to dominate your opponents, even if you are new to the game. We will cover fundamental controls, essential defensive maneuvers, and straightforward winning strategies. By the end, you will feel confident stepping into the ring and securing victories with ease. Get ready to master the basics and have a lot of fun. Let's start with offense. You have light and heavy strikes. Combine them for effective combos. Grapples are key for powerful slams and submissions, so get close and initiate them. Don't forget running attacks and high-flying moves from the top rope or apron for extra impact. These basic offensive moves are your foundation for controlling the match and dealing significant damage to your opponent. Defense is just as crucial as offense. Master the reversal button. Timing is everything to counter your opponent's moves. Blocking incoming strikes will significantly reduce the damage you take, keeping you in the fight longer. Also, learn to dodge grapples and special moves to avoid devastating attacks. Practicing these defensive techniques will make you a much tougher opponent to beat in any match. Now, let's put it all together for easy wins. Target specific body parts to weaken your opponent, making them more susceptible to pins and submissions. Always conserve your finisher for critical moments, like after a major combo or when your opponent is severely weakened. Finally, always go for the pin after a powerful move to secure a quick and decisive victory. You're now ready to win.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.